In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tooltips, tags, badges, and other UI elements in Figma using a plugin. To get started, open your Figma project and navigate to the Actions menu. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. Next, search for the Figduo plugin and open it. If prompted, complete the setup process and connect your email to access the plugin's features. Once the plugin is open, browse the available UI elements such as tooltips, tags, badges, and other components. Select the element you want to use and it will be added directly to your canvas. You can then customize the text, colors, and size to match your design. Repeat the process for any additional elements you want to include in your project. And that's it. You've successfully created tooltips, tags, badges, and other UI elements in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.